Welcome! Da-da-da-da. This is a very standard exercise for a rhythm. It's kind of boring, but it's also kind of cool. And I think many people call it the pyramid. And what it is that we do all of the subdivisions that we have already learned in the previous tutorials and do them one after the other. We have a beat, like we always do. We know that these are our quarter notes, so we go, etc. Then we have the eighth notes, which is the beat subdivided into two. 1, 2, 1, 2, which I never use that. 1, 2, 1, 2, I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and etc. I have the subdivision into triplets, which is subdivided into 3. The beat has 3 subdivisions now. And then lastly, I have the 16th notes. It gets pretty fast, so I'm not even trying to clap it like this because I'm not like Spanish flamenco star or something. I just do it like this. It's a little bit more easy for me to do it. And obviously the challenge in this is to stay steady with the walking, with the beat, right? It's quite easy to go from 8th notes to 16th notes because it's just twice as fast. But it's really quite challenging to change the internal feeling from a straight binary grid, a grid in 8th notes, to the grid in triplets, where we do not want to become twice as fast, but just right to make it fit for the triplets. So, in order to make sure I don't speed up or I'm not shaky with the time, I'm going to use a metronome. And let me see where that is. This will be the click. I'm going to think of this as a 4/4 time. Could be any time, but I do it in 4/4 now. And I do 2 bars each of each subdivision. Let's go. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes. That was bad. I meant to clap here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I think I was a little bit shaky on the tempo and the triplets there, but we just keep on practicing and then that'll get better. If you feel this is challenging, which I hope it is challenging if you do it for the first time, because it's really not that easy, it's helpful to put a pause in between the changes. So you just do 2 bars of 8th notes, 2 bars of nothing, just the walk, so you can recalibrate your internal groove, and then do the triplets, 2 bars pause, etc. before you put them right together. Also, it's really helpful to sort of get a feeling for the coordination. In both the 8th notes and the 16th notes, if you always go right, left, right, left, right, left in the drumming, it will always be the accent on the same hand, right? Like in the it's not necessarily an accent, but where the clap falls on the step, on the beat, will always be in the same hand. So here, it's always my right hand that is drumming as it hits the step. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Always the same hand. Same thing in the 16th notes. Right, left, right, right hand. Right? And in the triplets, that is not the case. In the triplets, it changes from the right side to the left. Okay, so it's good to feel this as you're drumming, and it'll give you a solid connection with the feet and the hand. If this feels good to you, obviously we want to try and do this with the taps. So I'm going to jump ahead a little bit. It's cool for you to just do it with maybe stamps, just walk it. If you want to feel comfortable about it first, and then that'll be the exact same experience as the drumming with the hands, where you always have either just the right foot on the beat or alternating. But you can also do some other taps to make the changes, and I really encourage you to explore, to either use the same pattern all the time, for example, step heel, which will be very easy to do in the eighth notes, but maybe not so easy in the triplets, and also to do it freely. So I'm going to do it once just to illustrate, and I'm not even wearing tap shoes, but I think you get the concept. And we'll just do it once maybe with a little bit of free tap dancing, and then I'll leave it up to you to practice more. So here's my grid, my click, and I start with the quarter notes for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you get the idea. I hope you have fun practicing. I hate that rhythm actually.